Good morning student. Welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Okay, I hope everyone is fine at home and you all are doing studies at home. Okay, today we will once again start chapter number 5, solid, liquid and gases. Yesterday we have done what are molecules, what is matter, what are atoms. Okay, then arrangement of molecules in solid, liquid and gases and the shape of solid, liquid and gases. Today we will start oral questions. Oral questions given in your book, page number 47. Book page number 47. Okay. Choose the correct option. What is given? Choose the correct option. I know everyone knows the answers. First one, read from your book page number 47. Choose the correct option. Matter oblique atom is anything that occupies space and has weight. All of you know the definition of matter. All things that occupy space and has weight is called matter. So put tick on matter. Matter is anything that occupy space and has weight. Okay. Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. Second one, atoms or elements are called building blocks of matter. So you know atoms are called the building blocks of matter. Building blocks of matter. Atoms are called building blocks of matter. So put tick on atoms. Then third one, just do it in your book. Third one, as you have already read what are elements and what are compounds. Water and carbon dioxide are compound. Okay. Water and carbon dioxide are compound. How compound will form? Atom of different kinds joined together, they will form compound. Fourth one, when two liquids mix together, when two liquids mix together, they are said to be miscible. They are said to be miscible, means they completely dissolve in each other. So put tick on miscible. When two liquids completely dissolve in each other, they are said to be miscible. So tick on miscible. Okay. Now our next topic, changes in the states of matter. Changes in the states of matter. Changes in the states of matter. Okay, matter change from one state to another by heating or cooling. Matter can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. Okay, matter can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. You have to underline this line. Matter can change its state from one form to another by heating or by cooling. Means solid can change into liquid by heating. Okay, liquid can change into gas by heating. Okay, means matter can change from one form to another by heating or cooling. Underline this line at page number 47. Matter can change from one state to another by heating or cooling. Let us see how. Now in activity 3. Activity 3. Activity 3. Book page number 48. First we will read okay. Activity 3. Pay attention. Book page number 48. Activity 3. Take some ice cube and heat them. You have to take some ice cube and you have to heat them. Then they will change into water. So here ice means in which state? Ice, solid, changes into a water, means it will change into a liquid state. This is called melting. Means melting means when changing of a solid into a liquid by heating is called melting. Okay, what is the definition of melting? Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. Okay, you have to learn this definition. What is melting? When solid change into a liquid is called a melting. For example, take some ice cube. Okay, you have to take some ice cube. Ice cube. Ice cube in which form? It is a solid state. Okay. When you will heat them, then it will convert into water form. Means it will change into convert into water, means will change into a liquid state. This process is known as melting. Okay, this process is known as melting, means changing of a solid into a liquid is called a melting. Means when you heat ice cube, then it will convert ice into water, means it will convert solid state into a liquid state, is known as melting process. Now heat this water further and it forms water vapor, which is a gas. Now changing of a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Now again, second term, evaporation. Second term, evaporation. Changing of a liquid, means water, into a gas, means it will convert into a water vapor. This process is known as evaporation. Okay, it's called as evaporation. Changing of a liquid state into a gas, means water change into a water vapor. This process is called evaporation, means this is water, it is in liquid state. Again by heating, when you heat it, it will convert into water vapor. Okay, this process is known as evaporation, means changing of a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. Water will change into water vapor, means liquid state change into a gas state. So by heating, solid can change into a liquid and liquid can change into a gas. So you have to remember, by heating, solid can change into a liquid and liquid can change into a gas. Underline this line in your book. By heating, a solid can change into a liquid and a gas, and a liquid can change into a gas. Now keep a steel plate on boiling water. Now you have to keep a steel plate on this boiling water. Okay. Remove the plate and you will notice droplets of water on the plate. आप जब ये प्लेट को हटाएंगे तो उसमें छोटे छोटे पानी के droplets दिखाई देंगे. This changing of vapor gas into liquid is called condensation. Means changing of a vapor, means gas into a liquid, is called, by cooling, is called condensation. Next term is condensation. Next term is condensation. Changing of a vapor or gas into water or liquid by cooling is called is called condensation. Okay, changing of a vapor into water, liquid by cooling, is called condensation. Now stop heating the water, allow it to cool and pour the water in an ice tray. अब जो पानी आप गर्म कर रहे हैं उसको बंद कर देना, देन अलाउ इट टू कूल, उसको ठंडा होने दें. फिर थोड़ी देर बाद उसको आइस ट्रे में भरकर फ्रीज़र में रख दें एंड कीप इट इन अ फ्रीज़र. नाउ टेक इट आउट आफ्टर अ फ्यू आवर, इट चेंजेस इनटू आइस. आप थोड़ी देर बाद उसको 3-4 घंटे के लिए फ्रीज़र में रखेंगे, आप देखेंगे उससे वो क्या बन जाएंगे, आइस क्यूब बन जाएंगे. चेंजिंग ऑफ अ लिक्विड इनटू अ सॉलिड इज कॉल्ड अ freezing. Next term is freezing. Means changing of a liquid, means water. Okay. Into a solid. Solid means ice. Okay, this is called freezing. Changing of a liquid into solid is called freezing, or either you can write changing of a water into ice is called freezing process. So by cooling, a gas can be changed into a liquid and a liquid can change into a solid. You have to remember this 2 points. By heating, solid can change into a liquid and a liquid can change into a gas. And by cooling, gas can change into a liquid and liquid can change into a solid. So underline these 2 points given in your book. So by cooling, a gas can change into a liquid and a liquid into a solid. Now keywords. As we have completed this chapter, once again we will revise it in short. Keywords. First one. First one, small particle that makes up the matter are called molecules. Second one, atoms. Atoms are called the building blocks of matter. Third one, element. It is given in your book. No need to write anything. Okay? Just listen. Element. Atom of one kind joined together, they will form elements. For example, carbon, oxygen, nitrogen. Okay. Next term, compound. Okay. Atom of different kinds, they will form compound. For example, water and carbon dioxide. Freezing. Okay, what is freezing? Right now I explain you. Changing of a liquid into a solid is called freezing. Okay, when water will convert into ice, it is called freezing. Changing of a liquid into solid is called freezing. Next term, melting. Melting means changing of a solid into a liquid. Changing of a solid into a liquid is called melting. Next term, evaporation. Changing of a liquid into a gas by heating is called evaporation. Changing of a liquid into a gas by heating is called evaporation. And condensation, next one is condensation, means changing of a vapor oblique gas into a water or liquid by cooling is called condensation. Okay. Keywords: molecule, atoms, elements, compound, freezing, melting, evaporation and condensation. Okay. Just read flashback at page number 48. All living things that occupy space and have weight are called matter. Okay, what is matter? All things that occupy space and have weight are called matter. Matter exists in three states: solid, liquid and gases. Matter is made up of molecules and molecules are made up of atoms. Okay, matter is made up of molecules and molecules are made up of atoms. Okay, atom of same kind will form elements and atom of different kind will form compound. Okay, matter can change its state from one state to another by heating or cooling. Okay, now pay attention on take the correct option. I know everyone knows this. Okay, tick right the correct option. Okay, first one, dash and salt are soluble in water. Option A, sugar. B, chalk. Option C, sand. D, kerosene. So, option A, sugar. Second, which of these is the building blocks of matter? Atom, elements, molecule or compound? Option A is correct. Which of these is an element? Which of these is an element? Carbon, carbon dioxide, water, all of this. Carbon. Carbon is an element. Okay. Fourth one. Which of these liquid is miscible in water? Kerosene, coconut oil, C, alcohol and D, petrol. Fourth one is C, alcohol. You have to take this option. Okay. Sugar and salt are soluble in water. Then atoms are the building blocks of matter. Then third one, carbon is an element, and fourth one, alcohol is miscible in water. Okay dear student, we have completed this chapter. You have to read this chapter once again. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.